Hello. Okay. Wait, what? You see me? Shh. Okay. All right. So I talked everything. I was my biggest thing was from the beginning that if we get through this volume shelf, this liquidity, which is kind of where we are at right now. So we have two choices. We can go up through this one up to more than 800, maybe 900 if we bounce to the upside, which is like here we have lots of volume being traded. So this is where we're stopping. And the lower level where we would stop is this probably because there's this area of B shape, and after that there's quite a big substantial gap before another liquidity zone. So I'm thinking 600, but maybe my level will be more logical. So it's like 650-ish where I would be targeting because 700s is a lousy target because when last time we went up, we didn't reach it. We went up, okay, we squeezed down a little bit, like 90 points, but then we went through and we touched 800, right? After that, when we went back to 700s, bounced, and then went through it to 600s, right? And then we went through, like, we went this 700 just didn't hold anything. Look, it was up, down, up. It didn't even, like, that's not a level, right? This is what happened here is not a level. This is just let's get back like this. So the 700s don't have volume. Like there is some actually to the downside in here, lots of volume. Like, but 700 is a empty gap. Like, and exactly where we are trading right now. So I I would like assume that if we drop through 700s, we will drop to my level, and if we get that up, we will go to 900s. This is where we stop, and this is also where my pivots, today's high, last trading session, where was it? It's like this one. There was lots of volume built. This is a Globex, so we don't care about it. But I mean, this is the area of interest for me. It's 900s where I think we could have some potential to. Okay, I can actually leave this one on because I want to see this hourly thing and this area. I know this is a support as a pivots, but somehow I don't believe this is a some it's not stopping at 700. I mean, like if we yeah, we might bounce, but it's just a very short bus stop. Okay, or at least I think so. So, and we are ready to go on. Yeah, we still have this one as from stats point. We've been trading. Where is this? This is July. Is that true? June and August. Okay, that was oh July. July 9th. That was the first trade I had. Yep, July 9th. So, look, that was not bad. Like winning, winning, losing, winning, break even, winning, winning, and then huh, one, two, three, four in a row losers. Then my vacation. Then come back from vacation. Then CPI week. Losers. This is a bad win. This is. Um, I'm not ashamed to say this is a very bad win. It was a gamble. It was a revenge. It was FOMO. Everything. I went out of setup just because I thought I see something on the charts. I didn't hold, obviously. Market went more and more up, but like that was the worst trading day in this combine because every other day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13th day was the worst day in my trading of this combine. Hopefully this is not going to be the same because see, I went with 10 contracts. It's not my style. I don't do this. I maybe did here, but that was also um like 2 minutes. Okay, I don't know, 8 minutes. So maybe I added or something like that. I don't know. But here, like it's 25 seconds. Okay, 5 minutes. What? Maybe that. Oh my. So 25 seconds. Seriously? Yeah. This is look 5:24. This is for after the open. Probably a break-even trade, and then with 10 contracts. Jeez. So this is not good. This is just everything is not good about this day, and so I'm living life like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bad trading days in a row. Okay. So last month was good. This month is sucking massive D. Having very, very bad win rate. Profit factor is also shit. So okay, let's not get like no. Why I deleted it by the way. Let's not get emotional and anything. I mean, this is just another trading day, and let's see what we can squeeze from this. Is it going to be a runner for the downside already right out the open? And if we can take a short here, maybe? But I don't see any other indications. Maybe if I would be on level 2, I would see a lot of liquidity build here more than to the upside. Maybe I would be more willing to take a trade, but now since I'm not on the level 2, a bit skeptical, on this. But there's a maybe, but like everybody sees this, everybody's watching this stop run, stop loss, or orders, sell orders, maybe ours just here. I don't know. I'm just a retail trader. I don't see this information right now, but so also shorts might close themselves. But on the other side, there was longs. They wanted to go long, and maybe somebody is still long, and they wanna close the position, so it means we're gonna drop down. I mean, also this whole area on hourly chart, which is like how to do this. This is totally, utterly like area line in the sand, right? This is where we came tested. If we tested for the third time, then we short it. Okay, so bro, 2 minutes left to the open. I know there's nothing special going on today. No, let's double check it. But FOMC in the night. Nothing. Tomorrow there's FOMC, but also no Wednesday. Oh, so today is just a quiet day, quiet Monday after Trump and Putin meeting that brought nothing to the party. CNBC. Do we have some breaking news? Rename. What? What? Versant to rename MSBC. I don't know any word that's been said here, so let's pretend I didn't read that breaking news. I think it doesn't concern me. It doesn't concern where I'm standing off with my strategy and my setups. But like obviously, I'm watching this 750 level, which is nice to be. Would be nice to be hit and run down maybe to my level. But if we squeeze to this side, then straight out of the open, I think I'm very skeptical on taking a trade. If I would see a squeeze back and then go short from here, obviously it would be nicer. But also there's a big resistance here, like big. If we go down, then we that would be nice. But you know, there's always if, and also it used to be a long market, uptrend market, but for now, one, two, three, fourth day in a row, we are a bit sliding down, which also might indicate that if this is okay, so let's watch it. Let's watch it. We are going up right now. Okay, so we're squeezing up. So we are closing shorts maybe, and I like the price action. I like the price action because if we do this and we fail to go through my level, which means we still stay in this yesterday's value area, we might just exhaust here and drop down and go down. But well, there's a nice push to the upside. I wasn't expecting push to the upside, so I'm not even maybe taking a trade. We yeah, that's it's quite nice to the VWAP through the level. It's 800s in play. So if we stay here, we might go for 900s easily if we stay in this range, but we would need some pullback from the VWAP before we can continue with the next wave to the upside. And here's another wave for the VWAP, for the retest of the VWAP. If we would be here, we would be, oh boy. By the way, I want to see if I, no, 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 not like this. I want to see on this one if I, how could I? So the price is, so the points, we point 160, so 160 ticks. So if I want to get into the trade 160 ticks, which means that half of it is with one contract, I will have to do the maths on the way because on Friday I might be trading on the laptop, having only Top Step account and not having ATAS. So if that would be this, right? So we would first of all we would have to divide it by 2 to get the P&L, and then we would have to adjust the risk, which is like if we have right now, okay, let's say we're 58 times 2, then we have this one because we divide risk. It's 40 times 40, so 12 and a half contracts. So it's 12 contracts we have to trade, right? If that would be 125, I mean, if I'm taking my real account, real money, I would be trading on 125. So it's still three contracts. So it's a very nice, okay, nice risk. And what time we have? We have still 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. And so to the downside, we definitely want to be on like this, but probably to the upside, I still suppose we're gonna be a little bit more to the more range. Will this candle will have a bit more range in 1 minute. 1 minute is a lot. We stop there, but like it's a nice price reaction. It's a nice price action. I like it. I like it for the upside, and I would like it for the downside too. I think like I'm biased more to the longs right now. It's I would love it to stay a little bit longer, not to break out that much to the upside. But this is not me controlling the markets. I would have entered actually here when it was already before pump because it felt like it wants to still break, but it's still not my. Okay, so I mean, I would have to do this still on 10 contracts minimum, which is in 6, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what? No, not limit. What the? Stop by. Oh my, jeez. And stop by one. I think it's 11 contracts. Let me check. I think it's 11 contracts. So it's 90. No, maybe it's 10. It's 10. It's more like 10. 95. Yeah, it's 10 contracts. So 95.5 divided by 2, 47.75, 47.75. Oops. Okay, so it's 10 and a half. So it's more like 10, not like this, right? So nice. We have this. Wow. Like this price action might bring me very big opportunities, right? If we come back here, squeeze that. I think I'm gonna, yeah, it's good. We still will be in the trade, by the way. If anything happens, just so you know, I was in the trade, but somehow I've put my order in the wrong place, which sucks, but it happens. It happens. So this is exactly 50. It's my level, and this is where we're going to. It's 92, 92. So, wow, this is sucking a massive D. Right now, we are sucking a massive D, and this is that's pretty pity, It's pretty shitty. Uh, if no, I'm not taking another of this. If I lose, I would wait for a school run. And right now, I think there will be another wave to the downside unless 800 holds. But if they don't hold, we are going to hit the stop fucking loss. Right. You had to touch this, right? You had to fucking touch this. I mean, it's so close. Wow. And like, wow, it's magical. It's magic. No, it's no magic. And again, it's holding. I mean, bro, that's seriously interesting. I don't know what's going on, how these sellers are not like pushing the price down, and they are pushing it. Okay. What? They will. They will, yeah. This is it. Okay, so this is again a loser losing trade. Nice, nice. So yeah, well, let's say like that. Markets are not giving me what I want, and yeah, you could say like that. That there's a bit of a evil inside. Oh, brother, again minus 400. Yeah, okay. Yeah, obviously it's interesting to see the price action like that. When you're wrong, but then you're right, and then you're wrong, and then you're right. Sure. This is weird. Okay. So my setups are not giving me what I want at all. I mean, at all. Okay, so Monday. Monday, the school run made me already cry. And it's minus one. And we are just there. And this is 0.0001 because like this. I don't care if it's going. By the way, yeah, I still don't know this, but somehow I believe this is just gonna be a green. And it's still green. Yeah. Was that too fast to enter this? Maybe I should. Uh, maybe I rushed. Mm, do I want to take that? Uh, that's tough to say, rough to say, tough to say. Uh, like there is a big chance that we're going down. Like we couldn't go up, we went to the VWAP, and now it's a possibility. It's very, actually, a very stop sell 10, very short target, and it just look. I've seen such things before, and yeah, somehow it looks like we could do this. $92.5. Was I jumping guns? 92. So, like, it seems to me that this momentum is going to hit my entry by no means, and that we're gonna flush to the downside, which is also a big possibility, like in my mind, what I see in the price action, but also the momentum has stopped, and this is not the best place to be in right now. And because like we are just went there and we are not seeing any fall through, which sucks big time. And I even considered taking out the position. Mm, but we still want to see. That was a big flush, and if it's continuing, I'm watching so closely. Like right now, I'm feeling like I made a trading mistake with entering this trade too early, not waiting for my true signal, and which like will give me I don't know what advantage, like seriously none of it. And this is what I don't really like, because the advantage I have is like 20 or 50, but right now I'm just stuck with this bad trade, and it will be stuck in me for a long time right now. Because yeah, we are squeezing back, and this is the second trade I took today, and that's fucked up. There wasn't even a signal, that's the problem. If that goes my way, that's no, it's not. Like, fuck. Yeah, this time I made a big mistake by oh shit. Like, fuck. Okay. I don't know how it's not touching this. It was supposed to touch right there. Like, me being early in this trade made me lose all my trading day. Yep. Okay. This is a revenge. Yeah, it's a revenge. Revenge trade. Okay, so I'm out of like with that oh, man. So all one, two, three, four, five, six. Nice. and there's nothing to be here, nothing to see here. There was not even a signal for my trade to be taken, which is great. So I to have the advantage of 50, like 80 dollars, I've lost 380. Sweet, right? Oh, fuck. Here you go. This is where you want to enter. This is exactly why you want to enter. This is where you were supposed to enter. 718. Funny. Fucking funny. I might be closed because I'm having only 150 in the drawdown, and if this momentum dries out, and if there's a big pullback, then we are obviously chalked. If there's no follow through right here, like for the drop, like this big drop, bigger, much bigger drop, I mean, we are chalked. We are definitely in the problem position. Like, this is my risk right now. This is what I can afford. This is obviously a huge profit right now, but we are hitting for a bigger one. We are waiting for this market to just drop. It's a very little, like very close target. And if these sellers do not dry out, then we are very good to go. Obviously, we are a bit in a pullback, and that pullback just fucked me up. Well, because why? Because we don't have the power to manipulate the price, right? So if we limit sell, this was my target, right? Okay, just get out of this. Okay, let's wait for a school run then. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's quite a big range this time, much bigger than before. We see this and this, and this is what? It's 120, so it's one contract in those two contracts. If we would trade 125. On a school run, if I want to risk full, I have to enter with maybe 5 contracts or so. Yeah, I made a trading mistake, bro. I made a trading mistake. That was my bad. My bad. My totally bad. And this will happen if I'm greedy. This will happen if I'm not patient. Like, and for now, like, I see this drop. I see it. Like, I see this drop. And I cannot, like, wait to for it to I want to get in right now, like right now, but it's just fucked. It's too fucking early. So we need what, 12? No, we need 8 contracts, something like that. For now on, we need 8 contracts if we are right now in the market. But we will probably go 4 or something. I don't know. It's just because I don't want to reach the daily limit, but I'm so. I mean, I was 4,000 and now I'm down to this number. If I don't watch the P&L, this is sell, like, okay, you know what? Let's do it like that. Stop sell 5, like right here somewhere. And this is no, 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 no. You see what's going on right now. We are coming up to my target. It's definitely like a big win for me today to take that trade. I was a very good position. Unfortunately, 7 right now. Still 1 minute left. Are we bouncing back or we are going down? We don't know, but we have to wait. We have to be patient. This is the hardest part in this trading because when you see the price action doing what you want it to do, it's so hard to stay away from what is going on. When you see the drop, you went for the drop once, twice. Now it's third time for sure. And you're losing money. And the market's doing what you want it to do. Yeah, so this is hard. This is fucking hard, man. Okay, so stop sell 5. I think 5 is okay because we will have then like break even day, but with the retracement would be stop sell 2 would be this is what you would like to have on that particular trade in 4 seconds. Okay, if that retraces back and takes me out, then obviously it's a lose-lose. And we are right here with stop buy in stop buy 2, so the 7. Okay, so now I would enter. I would want to enter right now because if we are going short, I'm going from here, from 750s, where I said it's not stopping, but no, I said it's stopping. Yeah, for 750s, it's 700. It's not stopping. Here, it's not stopping. It's a crazy 50 level where it can bounce back straight to there, unless we're definitely like going through this. Well, let's see what we gonna have from here. And this is what's the risk? 70. 7. Okay, perfect risk. I mean, I managed that. Whatever. Oh, brother, this is stupid. Yeah, the markets don't give a shit what I want. Let's see if we can drop down to this area. Even before, you see this, it's even before. I'm mad on me of taking that trade, jumping the gun. And I'm actually mad also maybe on this one. Well, You see, that was the signal, right? So if I would time it perfectly, that would have been the signal. But on the other hand, I wasn't there. I could have just left the order there, and it never would have targeted it, right? On paper. On paper, I would be right now in trade with the 50, and with the 50% already taking, maybe I would have moved my stop right here. So I would, at worst, would be at break even for today. Yeah, I would be at break even. But no, fuck it, we just do this, right? What the fuck is going on in this market? It has no decision where to go. It doesn't fucking care. Is it legit to take a long right here? Is it legit to take a long here? Well, the long would be where? The long would be to here. Well, the area is nice. I cannot say anything bad about it. So it's 0.5, definitely 0.5. In that one, 0.101, yeah. Well, it's definitely a loss. And this one is 0.6, right? That is 0.6 to the other side. I'm glad I'm actually minus 1.7. Still, it's not what you want to see. It's a shitty ass market. Like, it's going back and forth. And if that would have been already a loss or a break even, doesn't matter. Let's. Can it go up right now? I don't know. It's weird positioning, weird everything. Bish. No, 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 no. Why are we like this? When what? Why? I want you to count only what you see. Yeah, that's exactly what I want to do. It's a B shape. If you break out of that, maybe there's a reason to go long here. Maybe, maybe. And there's no reason to keep the risk all the way, maybe. It depends when we cross. We could put it, I mean, like, it's 250 still. I don't have anything else to offer for myself. And yeah, so basically, we came back to this volume area, which sucks. But right now, I see potential to here, like a huge potential, huge. Like, I could take maybe 5 contracts, 20 million contracts for the VWAP hit. This is what I could do, definitely. It's choppy market. We don't know when it's gonna happen, but like, to bet on VWAP, I'm betting 100% right now. It's still gonna hit it. I don't know when. Like right now, maybe. Now is the time. You can enter with stop here and go there. It's fooling around. It's fooling around. We could take 5 NQ contracts. Oh wow. Pew, pew. I'm in the trade right now, and the trade's going against me because there was a lot of people at the same level with the same thought, and they made those things to be there, and that's it. They are screwed. Sylvia opposite play. Wow. Again, short and long and short and long and short. This market is sucking a massive D, so I've put 100% on view up touch. It happens so that before that it has to go down to go up. And my time is running out. Actually, I have to go. Will I leave these contracts on? I don't know. I have a risk. I don't have to take profits. I would love to take took. I cannot put the stop loss, which sucks. Like I would like to put a stop loss already for me, myself and I. So the question is right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this on or not. This market is going nowhere right now. If it's zigzagging like this, then I'm good. The movements are unpredictable actually. They are a bit, these retracements, these moves up and down, they somehow seem to be very huge to be all to 1000 ticks show me. What you got on 1000 ticks, bro? And yeah, where's the open? Yeah, here. So we made this. I mean, it comes back not to the middle, but it comes back more and more. It comes back to like almost this previous pivot where it was, and it now goes so sideways. Man, it's going so sideways right now. drying out, drying out. So we'll. Mm. Imagine it was your money and you lost because you're stupid. I mean, I had to go. much do I have? This month. Yep, nice. Wait, where is my... G'day, vale. Oh my god, I cannot stand this. Where's... I don't get it. Why I don't see this? Okay, so yeah, my data loss is like this. Like this. Oh, again we had a squeeze to the downside. Even a burger one. Oh, almost touched that, but when did it touch? Before it went in. Okay, so it's nothing. I mean, what? Most profitable Tuesday, least profitable Monday. So my win rate is 30%. Yeah, so exactly. I am at very total break even. I mean, I have to connect because like I'm not able to. Ever is losing. Yeah, 500. So well, okay, so I have two trades. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. I have one more day. It's tomorrow. I blow it or not? That's the question. So, okay. I'm one day away from blowing my account or from